Welcome back, my name is Dak, and today at the brew tank we're racking the Bochet. Let's get started. Okay, so our supplies today is our siphoning king, some fresh star sands, an empty sterile 1-gallon carboy, a stool or something to elevate your carboy, your original mead, 3-piece airlock, and stopper. Also, if you want to take a gravity reading, you'll also need a hydrometer, graduated cylinder, and either a wine thief or a large baster. As always, we start off by sanitizing our workspace. Next, we'll set up our Bochet for siphoning. Always make sure to elevate your primary carboy above the secondary carboy you're transferring to. Gravity do the rest once you get it started. Before I drop this in and start to siphon, we'll take a sample to see where the flavor's at and get a final gravity reading. Looks like this one still has more time to ferment, but I'm still going to transfer it over and wait it out. After we discuss the taste, I'm going to attach the cane using the side clip. Once that's in place and adjusted an inch above the lees, let's get to siphoning. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for joining me for some siphoning, and I hope some of you out there give a Bochet a shot. Hit me with a like and subscribe if you want to see more, and I hope to hear you try your own Bochet in the comments section below. Happy brewing. Cheers.